Hello, this is Subaru Clean Services car detailing section. Today we are here in Kahawa Sukari, doing what we do best, matters car interiors cleaning. This is a Subaru car, and we have removed the seats, and you can see the condition of this particular car from inside. So you can see how dirty it is, things littered here and there. As Subaru Clean Services car detailing section, we offer you the best. See that area, how it's dirty everywhere. You can see how dirty it is. You can see how that floor is littered, and we do offer the best matters car interiors cleaning. Over there is my colleague working on this particular car. So as Subaru Clean Services car detailing, we won't disappoint matters interiors cleaning. We are professionals, we are the best matters car interiors cleaning out there, and you need your car to be done matters car interiors cleaning, you can kindly get in touch with us at Subaru Cleaning Services, or visit our Facebook page, that is Car Detailing Services Kenya. You will see marvelous job that you've done and great insight on the same. Also, you'll get our contacts over there and do a booking to schedule for your car interiors cleaning. So after this, I will share with you the interiors of this particular car. This is before, and I'll give you an update of the same after our cleaning. Stay tuned for our next video, the after cleaning video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for following Subaru Clean Services car detailing section. Thank you.